trading now 265. So workday, our first target is 210.15. So workday is getting going, which we like, as well as Disney. Disney, it opened and pulled back, but we're in a good area with Disney. T-Mobile can't get above yesterday's high quite yet, but we're watching that and see what we can get from T-Mobile as its trend has been moving higher. So good across the board in a lot of our names. We have our short two and checkpoint. Checkpoints hasn't moved higher, found some support on the hourly chart at the 50-day moving average.